All right.
2.
Go.
Yeah,
All right.
The ones that take like
Reach
3
minimum safe distance.
Put them back in the wrong flipping box.
With music.
I walked out of the soccer room. I was taking soccer shoes in the soccer room. So I was refunding soccer.
It's hot.
Somebody took 4 pairs of Converse, moved the box in one direction, 4 pairs of shoes in the other. And I walked out and was like,
Play to me.
What's the motive? What's your purpose?
Sean,
It's not gonna explode.
would you like to do the honors?
Do I just have to press play?
You just have to press play. But do your countdown.
3, 2, overrated freedom.
Overrated freedom. Maximum freedom.
Alright. Music and the detonator.
All right, John, you still got the remote?
Yep, I would expect that.
Okay.
Where are my detonators?
Are you recording? Are you recording?
You ready? Yes. Deploying maximum freedom. Oh, yep, it lit.
Deploying maximum freedom! You commies ain't seen nothing yet! Play now! Woo! Mazel tov!
Video now.
There we go. That'll hold. Okay.
And tell everybody how it works.
All right, so we have a remote control that later will show is the remote for my stereo. And I've got an Arduino set up with an IR receiver and a couple of warning LEDs and trigger LEDs to just show, you know, the system status. Needless to say, also, I want this to be a little loose so that when it goes out, it doesn't pull the whole thing with it. Because that'd be bad. Let's get that a little bit. I want it to be loose, but not
Enough to where it falls apart.
not enough where it falls apart, or yeah, even takes it up with it. That would be worse.
It'll be fine. Just put it in.
Okay, so yeah, triggering circuit, Arduino, IR receiver, some code that decodes the hexadecimal values of the receiver.
Take it back there.
I know. And conveniently, so, okay, anyways, I'll explain. Yeah, the triggering circuit is just an Estes igniter. It's followed down one of these Estes cords that you get with, you know, typical triggering igniters that you can run off batteries. So the circuit, we have a IR receiver that receives, you know, TV remotes at 38 kilohertz. Trigger LED, which is just a very bright LED, white LED, so I can see that it has been triggered, and a yellow warning LED, meaning that it is armed and there is power to the igniter circuit and it is primed. So yeah, the Arduino is controlling it all. It's run off of 2 9 volts. I ran it off of 2 separate sources because those igniters technically count as short circuits. So the worst thing I wanted it to don't want it to happen, if I ran it off one source, is that it would short out and the battery voltage would go way below to where the Arduino would basically suffocate from lack of power, and then it would reset itself. That's no good, because shenanigans could happen, and yeah. So yeah, needless to say, later we'll show that I went ahead and set the triggering to the play button, and we'll have the national anthem on my stereo, to which we will play concurrently while triggering it. Let's do this. Alright, so let's go ahead and get Arduino online, power online. You can see the yellow LED has power showing that it is primed and triggered. So everybody reach minimum safe distance.
I hope this doesn't do something.
That's good.
Get further back.
It's good.
Okay.
Keep your eye on the circuit.
Can't hardly see.
Fire in the hole! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So
That's
yeah,
how it's done.